Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will presentation about new item text. What is new item text? New text is a text that informs the reader about news, or important daily event or event. Newsworthy, which means worthy to be reported. So not all events can be reported. Only important event or event are newsworthy if the event or incident is not important, then it is not worthy to be reported and known to many people. Teks berita adalah suatu teks yang menginformasikan pembaca tentang peristiwa atau kejadian sehari-hari yang layak diberitakan atau penting. Newsworthy yang berarti layak untuk diberitakan. Jadi tidak semua kejadian atau peristiwa bisa diberitakan, hanya kejadian atau peristiwa penting saja yang layak diberitakan. Jika peristiwa atau kejadian itu tidak penting, maka tidak layak untuk diberitakan dan diketahui banyak orang. Element of new text. Number 1. What? The name or identity of an event or event that is new or currently occurring. Is it about a person's life or a landslide? Fault, unfriend, what is reported? Number 2. Who is involved in an incident or event, or who is the main character in the news spotlight? Number 3. Where? This element states the location or area where the event occurred. Where did it happen? In criminal terms, the crime is usually referred to as a crime scene or crime scene. Number 4. When? The element which is the time of an event or event being reported. It can include the date, day, hour, minute, or general, such as morning, afternoon, and evening. Number 5. Why? The reason why the reported event or event may have occurred. This element also includes knowing in detail the cause of an event that has occurred. Number 6. Who? What is the state or process of the assurance of an event or event, including that consequences or what is expected of the event. If the event is a deliberate event.
Type of news text. Straight news, berita langsung. Straight news is a type of news as it is read in a short, direct, and straightforward manner. Most of the front of page of newspaper or those that make headlines are usually this type of news. Straight news merupakan jenis berita apa adanya, ditulis secara singkat, langsung, dan lugas. Sebagian besar halaman depan surat kabar atau yang menjadi berita utama atau headline biasanya adalah berita jenis ini. Depth news, berita mendalam. Depth news is a type of news that is developed with an in-depth look at things that are below the surface. Explain in depth. Depth news merupakan jenis berita yang dikembangkan dengan pendalaman mengenai hal-hal yang ada di bawah suatu permukaan, dikupas secara mendalam. Investigation news, berita investigasi. Investigation news is a type of news that is developed based on investigation and research from various sources that can be news source. Investigation news merupakan jenis berita yang dikembangkan berdasarkan penyelidikan dan penelitian dari berbagai sumber yang dapat menjadi sumber berita. Interpretative news, berita interpretatif. Interpretative news is news that is developed through the opinion or judgment of journalists who report but still based on the facts found. Interpretative news adalah berita yang dikembangkan melalui pendapat atau penilaian dari wartawan yang melaporkan, namun tetap berdasarkan fakta yang ditemukan. Opinion news, berita opini. Opinion news is a type of news about someone's opinion, usually opinion of experts, officials, scholars about matter, event, scientific condition, and so on. Opinion news adalah jenis berita mengenai pendapat seseorang, biasanya pendapat para ahli, pejabat, cendekiawan mengenai suatu hal, peristiwa, kondisi keilmuan, dan sebagainya.
New text rules. 1. It is our when closer to perfect form. 3. It to over when are the insert are over. 3. Our class the give information to our words. 5. It is come back to realism, for example, after the infinal. 5. It is the real of recurve form social conversion in insert over what it example what he said. 6. The convert word inform the overpopulous word is the word of insert extensor usually to every late details. Kaidah kebahasaan teks berita. 1. Verbal transitif merupakan verbal yang dapat diubah bentuk posesif. 2. Verbal perawata. Verbal perawata adalah verbal yang dapat mengaitkan suatu percakapan. 3. Verb after atau kata keterangan, kata yang memberikan keterangan kepada kata lain. 4. Konjungsi temporal merupakan kata hubung yang berhubungan dengan waktu, misalnya setelah, kemudian, dan akhirnya. 5. Kalimat langsung merupakan hasil kutipan langsung dari pembicaraan seseorang, sumber wawancara, atau yang sama persis dengan apa yang dibicarakannya. 6. Kalimat tidak langsung, kalimat yang kalimat yang melaporkan atau memberitahukan perkataan orang lain dalam bentuk kalimat tidak langsung, biasanya untuk menggunakan detail berita.
Generic structure. Main event or newsworthy event. Berita utama. Bagian yang menceritakan ringkasan dari suatu kejadian atau peristiwa penting yang terjadi. Background event or elaboration. Menceritakan secara rinci latar belakang kejadian atau peristiwa yang terjadi, siapa yang terlibat, di mana, dan bagaimana peristiwa terjadi. Source. Bagian terakhir dari struktur news item text merupakan sumber berita, bisa berupa pernyataan, narasumber, komentar saksi, pendapat para ahli, atau pendapat dari pihak terkait dari suatu peristiwa. Example of new item text and its structure. Newsworthy event. 7 people were killed in a collision between a bus, a car, and a truck at 10:35 on Jalan Sultan that night. There were all passengers in the car. Police believes the car may have been trying to overtake the bus when it was struck by a truck coming from the opposite direction. The driver of the car may not have been using his light as the truck driver said he did not see the car approaching. First, the police said the car should not have been trying to pass the bus. Since overtaking is not allowed on Jalan Sultan. The Pulse reported that the car, a small Japanese car, should not have been carrying more than 5 people. That's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.